Good morning student. Today we are going to do revision of chapter 1, that is food, where does it comes from, and we will be revised in this chapter the topics that are food, importance of food, then sources of food, and then the kinds of animals on the basis of food they eat. Done. So start from the first or foremost topic, that is importance of food. Children, what is food? Food means khana, which you eat in your day to day daily life. Then we eat food in as in breakfast in morning, and we eat food lunch in afternoon as in lunch, and then at night in dinner. Then so the question arises that why do we need food? We need food to get energy. All the living things need food to get energy for their body development, for their proper growth. Done. So children, food contain energy giving substance that are called nutrients. Energy giving substance that are called nutrients. Done. Nutrients are essential for our body growth, and we have already learned in our previous class that what the main nutrients which are required for our body growth, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Done. So all these nutrients required for proper growth and development of our body. And if we talk about the importance of food, food help us to grow and help in body development and give us energy. Like if you are going to school, that time you need energy. If you are playing in the ground, or you are running, you are walking, all the activities that you are doing, that time you need energy. So food gives us energy. So we can say that food is a substance that we eaten by us daily to get energy, or a substance that broken down in our body to get energy, in a body of an organism to get energy. Done. And we have different kind of food found with us or in nature, that is based on the culture of that area, or that is based on the physical division of that area. Like if we are talking about the western part, Rajasthan, we eat here roti, sabji, chapati, that is the staple diet of this area. And if we are going to northern area, north part, then there they eat idli, dosa, sambar, that is made by rice. So that is the and fishery products, non-vegetarian peoples that eat that product. So that is the staple diet of northern side. And if we are going to Gangetic plain, that area, that people staple diet of that people are fruits, vegetables. So we can say it's depend on the culture of that region. And now we talk about the sources of food. First, importance of food. It helps us to perform our daily activity. Second, it provides energy to our body. It helps in proper growth and development of the body. It keeps us healthy. It provides protection from various germs and infection. As I told you that vitamins and minerals improve the immunity of our body. So they protect us from many diseases or many body disorders. So that's how food provide protection from various germs and infection. Now let's talk about sources of food. Like there are two type of main source of food: plant sources and animal source. Children, as you know that plants makes their own food done by the process of photosynthesis. So they are called producers. Okay, and animal sources, obviously they are not able to make their food, so they are called consumers. Done. So if let's come on to plant sources. Many of the parts of plant that is we eaten by us as food. Like if we have to talk about roots of plants, such as, look at the picture, carrot, radish, sweet potato, beetroots. These are the roots parts of a plant where the starch is stored and eaten by us as food. Done. Now stems: ginger, turmeric, garlic, potatoes and sugar cane. In stem of these plants, starch is stored in the stem part, so that is eaten by us. Now we talk about the flowers. Different type of flowers, like parts of plants flower, like cauliflower, broccoli, and many other examples are there that is eaten by us. Done. Now leaves of plants such as lettuce, spinach, and cabbage, these are eaten by us. So they are called leafy vegetables. Okay, they are eaten by us as raw, or they are, or we can say we cooked these leaves. Now fruits, ample of examples are there of fruit. Ample of fruits are eaten by us. For example, apple, banana, mango, papaya, and so on. Now vegetables also, green plants, chickpea, that are cereals and pulses, and tomatoes. Many vegetables are that are eaten by us. Many examples are there of fruit and vegetables. Now let's talk about seeds. Seeds of plants are also eaten by us, like pulses, cereals. Example of pulses are mung bean, kidney bean, and then chickpea. Cereals are wheat, maize, and rice. So these are some example of pulses and cereals which are seed and eaten by us. Now if we talk about wheat grains, they used to make flour and further used to make chapatis. Done. And if we talk about the seeds like cumin, coriander, and black pepper, these are spices which are used to add flavor in the food. Again, if I talk about mung bean and chickpea, sprouted seed. If I soak the mung bean and chickpeas for some time in the water, and then further what happen? They sprout. Okay, roots are begin to start from germinate from these seeds. So that time these seeds are called sprouted seeds, and they are very nutritious and very good for our health. So, and obviously you eat as in salad. So chickpea, cereals, pulses, these are example of seeds. So that are the plant sources: roots, flowers, leaves, fruits and vegetables, then stems, seeds that are eaten by us. Okay, so children, what we learned today? We learned that why we eat food? We eat food to get energy for proper growth and development of our body, because food contain nutrients. And then two sources of foods are there, that is plant sources and animal sources. Plants are producers because they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and many parts of plants are eaten by us as food. Done. And if I talk about sources of food, means the place and the organism from which we obtain food, that are called sources of food. In our next module we talk about animal sources. This for all today. Thank you.